in my Stately box round 2. Let's open this up and see what's in here. So this box was delivered to me yesterday, and I want to open this box live with you guys so we could all see together exactly what's in the box. I didn't want to open it up beforehand. I want you and I both be surprised once we open this box together and see what's inside. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Well, once you open this up, it looks like that. It's all nice and wrapped. Little S for Sam. Alright, here's my next little letter. Another Stately box. A little postcard thing. Alright, so the cool thing is you have pretty much 5 days to try it out. If you don't like it, you could exchange it within 5 days, which is awesome, and you give them feedback. So, alright, let's see what it is. Alrighty. First off, ooh, I like this. It's a nice little slim fit Haley. This is a white neutral color, and it's small, and the quality looks really good. I like that. Okay, that's good. That's one. And I got more socks. I got socks last time too. That's awesome. That's a bonus in there. Oh wow, and I got a hat too. PX Clothing. How do I look? We'll have to try these later and see how they are. So I'll try these with you guys once I'm done going through these. I'll put a nice little fashion video for you guys to watch. This is a sweater for the fall. Is it zipping? No, it's just a sweater. It's blue. Nice. This one is a navy pants as well. Seems like this time around it's pretty much blue all around. And another button-down shirt. It's actually not bad. And I got an accessory, another one from PAX. This one is MSRP is $100. Wow. Holy whoa, it's a watch. Wow, look at that. It's a nice watch. Okay. I mean, I love my Apple Watch, but I mean, I'll take it. Alright, seems that's about it. So about 7 items altogether. Okay, so the total of the whole thing, let me tell you the value of it so you have an idea. So I got 7 items, right? Okay. Alright, well, the watch is $100. The short sleeve Haley, the white one I showed you guys, that's $49.50. The hat is $40. The socks are $12, and the sweater is about $99. So altogether, the value is $458, and I got it for $196 with tax and everything. So that's a good deal. I'm gonna go wear these and see how they are, and I'll try them out. If I like them, great. If not, then I'll just pretty much, I have 5 days to return it and exchange it. So I'll go ahead and do that if I need to. I do feel like it's all bluish, like there's not a lot of colors this time. The first one was amazing. Definitely check out my first video, because the first video I was just blown away. This box, I don't know if I'm too crazy about it, but again, I'll try it on, see how it is. Maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't, and we'll go from there.